It's summertime, Corona or not, we've got some stuff to do. Let's get into it. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, this is Dirty Trucker 08. It's the summertime, Corona or not, I don't care. It's time to put on the summer wheels.
The summer wheels. The summer wheels. The summer wheels.
I've been rocking those ugly 18s long enough. It is time to put the chromies back on. Let a little wind blow through your hair.
Let's get it done.
And that's it. We are back to shiny. Summer's officially here. Wear your masks and go do something. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out.